This leads us to reputation management, one of our oldest products, and again, one of our flagship offerings. One of our key features of the reputation management product that people love is the executive report. It's read by over 60,000 SMBs every single month, and we're working hard on a new version, and Nathan is going to be showing that off pretty much right after this, so make sure you're here for that. We've recently added the ability to respond to Facebook reviews inline in reputation management. This lets you never have to leave reputation management to respond to those reviews. This is in addition to Google reviews. We recently added that as well, where you can go in and you can respond to a Google review inline in the product. To add on to that, if somebody responds to a review on Google itself, we're going to pull that into reputation management, and you'll be able to address it in the product as well. So once again, you don't have to leave reputation management. So that's reputation management, and that's what we've added there.